Getting a job in Luxembourg involves several steps, from understanding the types of jobs available to navigating the visa process. Here's a detailed guide. Types of jobs in Luxembourg ***. 1. Skilled jobs ***. Luxembourg has a robust economy with opportunities in various fields, such as finance and banking ***. Luxembourg is a global financial hub, offering jobs in investment banking, accounting, and asset management. IT and technology ***. Roles in software development, cybersecurity, and data analysis are in high demand. Healthcare. Jobs for doctors, nurses, and other medical professionals. Engineering. Civil, mechanical, and electrical engineering jobs. Education. Teaching roles in international schools and universities. 2. Unskilled jobs. Unskilled jobs in Luxembourg typically include construction laborers, cleaners and domestic workers, hospitality staff, e.g., waiters, bartenders, housekeeping, delivery drivers and warehouse workers. 3. Farm work. Luxembourg's agricultural sector offers seasonal jobs in fruit and vegetable picking, livestock management, general farm labor. Types of visas. 1. Short-stay visa, Type C. Valid for 90 days within a 180-day period. Suitable for business trips, interviews, or short-term projects. 2. Long-stay visa, Type D. For stays exceeding 90 days. Required for employment, studying, or family reunification. Often combined with a residence permit for work purposes. How to apply for jobs in Luxembourg ***. 1. Prepare your documents ***. CV tailored to European standards, Europass format is widely accepted. Cover letter ***. Specific to the job role and company. Certificates and diplomas translated into English, French, or German if required. References. Letters from previous employers or supervisors. 2. Search for jobs online ***. Use reputable job portals. Yours, European Job Mobility Portal, https://ecseat europa.eu/yours https://ecseat europa.eu/yours. Movajob https://www.movajob.com https://www.musixjob.com jobs.lu https://www.jobs.lu https://www.jobs.lu Monster Luxembourg https://www.monster.lu https://www.monster.lu LinkedIn. Search for jobs and connect with recruiters. Agricultural jobs. Check local government or farming websites. 3. Networking ***. Attend job fairs, e.g., Movajob Fair. Connect with professionals on LinkedIn. Join expat groups and forums. How to apply for a work visa. 1. Obtain a job offer ***. Secure a job offer from a Luxembourg-based employer. The employer must apply for authorization to hire a non-EU worker from the Directorate of Immigration. 2. Apply for a work visa ***. Submit the following to the Luxembourg consulate or embassy in your home country. Job contract. Valid passport. Proof of qualifications. Proof of accommodation in Luxembourg. Proof of financial means. Health insurance. Visa application form. 3. Obtain a residence permit ***. Apply for a residence permit upon arrival in Luxembourg. Provide biometric data and undergo a medical examination. Tips for job seekers ***. Language skills. Knowledge of French, German, or Luxembourgish can be a significant advantage. **** Target multinational companies ***. Many operate in English and are more likely to hire international talent. Professional advice: use recruitment agencies like Adecco or Randstad. Luxembourg's strong economy and international appeal make it an excellent destination for work, whether you're seeking skilled or unskilled employment. By understanding the job market and visa requirements, you can enhance your chances of success.